working in Oxford High School. My subject is the physical science, 8th and 9th classes, and also science. Okay, today we are learning about the one interesting topic. The topic name is the force. The topic name is the force. Okay, generally we are observed in our surroundings. We are sitting in our surroundings. We are observed that many things. First of all, changes in seasons. Next, second one, changes is sunrise and sunset. Sunrise and sunset. And third one is the changes in tides of sea. So first one what? Changes in seasons, and the second one is the changes is sunrise and sunset, and the third one is the changes in tides of the sea. In the above three causes are where change the season. We know the season: winter, monsoon, autumn, spring. That's like, and we know the early morning in the east direction sunrise, and west direction sunset. Why? What is the reason? And also changes in the tides of the sea, because in the three cases are one visible force is act in the nature. Which force that one? One visible force. Invisible force is acts on the above objects. That's why changes in the seasons, changes in the sunrise and sunset, and changes in the tides of the sea. In the above three causes are to change the one force is acting. That force is the invisible force. Which force? Invisible force. It is the unknown force. We cannot see this force. This force. Okay. Now I am starting. First of all, what is the definition of the force? A push or pull is an object is called a force. A push or pull is an object is called force. What is the definition of the force? A push or pull is an object is called the force. Examples of the force. First example. I am saying the three examples. First example is a boy is throwing a newspaper. A boy is throwing newspaper. Here only the boy is using the which force? We use the one force. Okay. Next, pushing a repaired car. And pulling a rickshaw. Third one is the pulling a rickshaw. So these three are examples of the force. Or understand all numbers. What is the definition of the force? A push or pull is an object is called the force. Examples: a boy is throwing a newspaper, and pushing a rickshaw, and pushing a repaired car. These three are examples of the force. Force formula. F is equal to ma. Force formula what? F is equal to ma. Here m is equal to mass and A is equal to acceleration. Next, force SI unit to Newton is equal to Newton. And force is the which quantity? It is called the vector quantity. It is called the vector quantity. Vector quantity. And force dimension formula, we write the dimension formula. DF means dimension formula. What is the use of the dimension formula? It is easily convert to one system to the another system. It is easily changes to one system to the another system. Dimension formula m power 1, L power 1 and T power minus 2. It is called for the dimensional formula. It is called for the dimension formula. Okay, force SI unit what to? Newton. This is which quantity? Vector quantity. Dimension formula m power 1, L power 1 and T power minus 2. It is a brief information of the force. Next, first of all, what is the definition of the push? Next one, push. What is the meaning of the push? Moving a forward direction. Moving a forward direction. It is called for the push. Moving a forward direction. Forward direction by applying the force. By apply the force. It is called for the push. What is the meaning of push? Moving a forward direction by applying the force. It is called for the push. Example, push a repaired car. Example, push a repaired car. Repaired car. Next, what is the definition of the pull? Next one, what is the definition of the pull? Apply the some force is applying on one object. Apply the some force on the object coming to backward direction. We coming to backward direction. It is called for the pull. It is called for the pull. Example, pulling a rickshaw. Example, pulling a rickshaw. Pulling a rickshaw. These are the examples of the push and pull. Or understand? First of all, what is the definition of the push? Definition of force: a push or pull is an object is called for the force. Next, examples of force: a boy is throwing the newspaper, pushing a repaired car, and pulling a rickshaw. Next, what is the definition of the push? Moving a forward direction by applying the force. It is called for the push. Example, pushing a repaired car. Next, what is the definition of the pull? Apply the some force to backward direction. It is called for the pull. And example, pulling a rickshaw. Understand all numbers? Today we are discussing about first of all the definition of the force. SI unit. It is a which quantity. Okay, understand? Next we are do the one activity. This activity in textbook page number 2. This activity textbook to page number 2. First of all, we are using in this activity which sometime we are using the pushing and sometimes using the pulling. First of all, textbook 2 activity number 1 in textbook page number 2. Page number 2. Okay, first of all, here only first one serial number. Next, action, serial number, action, and diagrams, and fourth column is the using the push or pulling or both okay now. So first of all, we have take the one object that is called for the first one. First action is the digging the bore well. Two persons are digging the bore well. First one, digging the bore well. So here only two persons are digging the bore well. Here we are using the both pushing and pulling. We are using the both pushing and pulling forces. In this activity, we are using the both forces, pushing and pulling. Next, second one, sipping the juice with a straw. Here only we are using the only using the pulling. Next, third one. Letters are erasing in the blackboard by using the duster. The letters are erasing the letters on the blackboard using the duster. So here only we are using the both pushing and pulling. Erasing the letters on the blackboard by using the duster. Here only both we are using the both forces, pushing and pulling. Next, fourth one. Magnets attracting the nails. Attract the nails. Here also we are using the pulling. Next, some fruits are falling from the tree. Next, fifth one, some fruits are falling down from the tree. Here only we are using the pulling. So in this activity we are observed that some action using both pulling and pushing, and some activities only using the pulling. Understanding of this activity in textbook page number 2. So in textbook column open and do this activity, complete them. Okay. Next, for example, I will take any one object. This object to kept on the bench. For example, I will take any one object. This object is to kept on the bench. Okay now. Now only we are using, I applying some forces in the 3 activities. For example, change when we apply the force on the any one object, after immediately changes some activities. First one, change the speed of the objective. Change the speed of object. Okay now. For example, I will take one ball. This ball is to kept on the ground. Starting only the ball position is the rest. When we apply some force on the ball, automatically the ball is to moving pick up some speed, and after some time it is a stop it. Okay now. Next, second one, change the shape of the object. For example, I will take the one plastic scale. This scale is to kept on the 2 bricks, and I kept some more weights. After some time, remove the bricks and weights. What is the shape of the plastic scale? It is to change some shape. Okay now. Next one, third one is change the direction of any object. Change the direction of object. For example, I will take the one football. This football is to kept on the ground. Okay now. Now any one person is coming to kick the football. So what is the position of the football? It is going to any direction. It is going to south direction, north direction, and west direction. Okay. These are the, when we apply some force on any object, to change immediately 3 activities. First one, change in the speed of the object. Next, second one, change the shape of the object. And third one, change the direction of the object. Okay, understanding all numbers. Next, I will go to another topic. Next, we will discuss about the types of the forces. types of forces. Generally, the force are divided into two types. First one is the contact force. Next, second one is the force at a distance or field force. Second one is the force at a distance. Or another name is the field force. These are the two types of the forces. How many types of forces? Mainly two types. First one contact force and second one field force, or another name is the force at a distance. Again, contact force also divided into four categories. These contact force also divided into four categories. First one is the muscular force. Next, second one is the frictional force. And third one is the normal force. And fourth one is the tension. These are the types of the contact force. How many types of contact force? Four types. First one muscular force, second one frictional force, third one normal force, and fourth one is the tension. Again, contact force at a distance also divided into three categories. First one is the gravitational force. Second one is the magnetic force. Third one is the electrostatic force. These are the types of the forces. The contact force also divided into four types: muscular force, frictional force, normal force, tension. Again, field force also divided into three categories: gravitational force, magnetic force, and electrostatic force. Now only we are discussing briefly one by one. First of all, what is the definition of the contact force? First of all, definition of the contact force. The force is existing between any two interacting bodies. What is the definition of the contact force? The force is existing in the any two interacting bodies is directly touching to each other. It is called for the contact force. Once again, I will say the definition. What is the definition of the contact force? The force is existing between any two interacting bodies is directly touching to each other. Here two objects are touching to each other. It is called for the contact force. Example of the contact force. Pressing the toothpaste. Okay, here only to touch the two objectives. And the bullock cart. Here only touching the two objectives. And examples of the contact force: muscular force, frictional force. Okay, now these are the examples of the contact force. Once again, I will say what is the definition of the contact force? The force is existing between any two interacting objectives is directly touching to each other. It is called for the contact force. Example: muscular force, frictional force. Okay, understanding all numbers. Next, what is the definition of the force at a distance or field force? The force existing between any two interacting bodies is not to touching to each other. It is called for the field force. Or force at a distance. Okay, what is the definition of the force at a distance? The force, for example, suppose the force is existing between any two interacting bodies is not to touch into each other. Here not touching any object. Okay, now it is called for the field force or force at a distance. Force at a distance. Okay, now here example magnetic force and electrostatic force. Okay, now